I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Bambulab's PLA Basic in light gray. So one of the things I'm not a huge fan of when it comes to Bambu's refillable spools is the fact that they have this sticker right here on the seal. It is very annoying. There's plenty of other companies that do like the sticker on the side or something like that. Please, Bambu, if you're watching, please consider changing that. It would be very helpful. Anyway, they do come with this RFID chip, which if you have a Bambulab printer with AMS, they can scan it into both the filament library as well as basically get those, use their profiles for the settings. But as you know, this is one of the light gray, so refills, so it comes with a sticker as well as that desiccant pack. I already have a refillable spool, and make sure that you have one of these before purchasing. Because you have to align this notch here in order to fill it with this other sided notch right there. Make sure that it is flush as we go ahead and put that on. The reason why is that sometimes if you don't, it will basically create a headache down the line, especially as you get closer. But we gotta lock this in, so we're going to get everything aligned and tightened, so that way it's good to go. Next up, after you make sure that is tightened, you gotta remove these 4 little tabs here. Basically, pull them out, separate them, and pull them out of the spool itself. Just good practice kind of thing. Go ahead and get that done. I personally like taking them off and then separating them, and then from the other side, pulling them out from the side that I lifted the seal from. Is sometimes they do not work as well as intended. So, but this one, it looks like it did for all 4. Otherwise, you would have to use the handy dandy cutter in order to get those out. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will see you back here for the benchy shortly. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in Bambu Studio for whatever filament we're using, in this case, generic PLA. Anyway, it should take a little under an hour, and we'll get those done, and here they are. So this is the generic benchy. As you can see, it worked out very well. No real, some banding issues right there, but nothing super major with that. Next up, we have a dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the temperature tower. Temp tower for this one. Best one, I would say, is right at 200 degrees. That spike had the least amount of globbing and no real stringing on it, which is great to see. So again, 200. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. There wasn't really any stringing or anything like that from that, which is great to see. Max volumetric speed test. This one performed very well at 20 millimeters per second cubed. Everything looked great. No skipping of lines or anything like that. Next up, we had the overhang test. So unfortunately, the overhang test failed, which has been relatively consistent with Bambu's PLA recently, right at 40. So just consider enabling supports maybe a little bit earlier. Anyway, we got those settings dialed in, and we reprinted that benchy, which, as you can see, we weren't able to completely get rid of the banding, but there was significant benefits to getting those settings dialed in. Everything I changed is down below. Anyway, at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Bambu store on their website for less than $20, or if you buy in bulk, less than $13. My overall thoughts are, if you can pick this up when you buy in bulk for various colors or whatever spools, you can, I think this is a great price overall. So that's been Bambulab's PLA Basic in light gray. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks!